A Moneybomb page collects commitments to donate, aka pledges. This video will walk you through how to create a Moneybomb page, select your settings, and how to find folks who pledged once time is up. Create a Moneybomb page. Moneybomb pages are different from donation pages. A donation page is actually connected to a bank account and takes donations immediately from supporters, whereas a Moneybomb page collects commitments to donate, or pledges. This means you will still need to email everyone that pledges to donate to remind them to actually do so. Create your Moneybomb page by clicking on Website, your site name, and Add New Page. Enter the name of the page in the slug. Select the Moneybomb page type. Select the checkbox to include the page in your top nav or supporter nav. Click Create Page at the bottom. Basic settings. You'll be directed to Moneybomb Settings Basics. When the Moneybomb will happen. This is the ending time and date. Once this time and date hits, people who pledge will need to make their donation. Length. How many days will the pledge time frame run? Default pledge amount. You can enter default one-click amounts for pledgers. Minimum and maximum pledge. Set a minimum and maximum pledge amount. This is optional. Goal for amount pledged. If you enter a goal here, a progress bar will display on the Moneybomb page so supporters can see how much progress has been made towards your goal. This is optional. Goal for number of pledgers. You can enter the amount of supporters you'd like to have pledge. This will also display a progress bar on the Moneybomb page so supporters can see how much progress has been made toward your goal. This is optional. Donation page to redirect to when Moneybomb page is active. If you'd like people who pledge to be directed to an actual donation page, set that here by entering the slug of the page. Tracking code. This code can be used later to isolate donations that were associated with a particular fundraising campaign or event. Any given pledge can only have one tracking code. To select a tracking code, make a choice from the drop-down menu. This is optional. Tag the pledger with. You can set tags for pledgers for easy filtering to find them later. For example, pledged May 2019, etc. This is highly useful when the Moneybomb ends and you would like to quickly find all the people who pledged to solicit their donation. After pledging, what page should they land on next? If you'd like people who pledged to be directed to another page after pledging, set that here by entering the slug of the page. You may also assign a point person to the donor if a point person does not already exist for that person's profile. Click Save Settings when you're finished setting up your Moneybomb page. Add content to your Moneybomb page. Moneybomb pages include an intro section where you can post a personal appeal. To customize that text, go to Moneybomb Settings, Intro. To add an image to this section, click on the Image button. It's a free-form text field, so you have a lot of flexibility. Autoresponse email. An email will be sent to your pledgers as part of the Autoresponse email. It will thank them for their pledge and invite them to share with others whom they think would be interested in pledging. You can edit the Autoresponse email at Moneybomb Settings, Autoresponse. Be sure to click Save Autoresponse email when finished. What to do when time is up. Once the time frame you set is up, that means it's time for people who pledged to donate. To reach out to them via email or text blast, first, find the people who pledged via filter in the People section. Click on the Filter button. Click Add Criteria and search for the custom tag you may have set up on your page to track your pledgers, for example, August Pledge. Click the Filter button. Select the Actions button at the top of the page and click Add All to List. Once you've added them to a list, prep your email blast or text blast with the link to your donation page. When adding recipients, select List under Matching and use the drop-down menu to select your list of pledges. When you're ready, send or schedule your email or text blast.